Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character jiān step by step. I will write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write. jiān, means to go in, to enter. For example, 走进，走进 to enter somewhere. Turn on the lights when you enter the room. Turn on the lights when you enter the room. 进入房间时，请打开灯。进入房间时，请打开灯。进入房间时，请打开灯。进入房间 ，enter the room. 请打开 ，turn on the lights， 灯。Turn on the lights when you enter the room. 进入房间时，请打开灯。进入房间时，请打开灯。My casual handwriting on character jiān. 进 to go in, to enter. 走进 to enter. Turn on the lights when you enter the room. 进入房间时，请打开灯。Please comment any sentence with jiān. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.